Bottom feeder. Sneeze. Bro, I haven't done a video in a while. Because, I don't want people thinking, I'm just sitting around waiting to make videos about your sorry self. But once in a while, you get me eager to do it. And boy, did you ever get me eager to do it. Bro, it's like every time I think you can't go lower, you find another area to dig lower. I mean, you are a pitiful, pitiful excuse for a human being. Boy, you would say anything to get attention. And what makes it even funnier, man, is you be doing these, talking about narcissists and who's a narcissist, who's this and that. So when you play those little creepy little tapes of dudes, people telling you how narcissists look, what you look for in narcissists to see if they are a narcissist, and you're so dumb that literally those videos was literally talking directly to you. You have no idea how bad of a narcissist you are. I have never seen somebody try so hard to act like they're this and that when they're total opposite. Bro, you think you're the best at everything. Best at everything. And to make it funnier, you're terrible at everything but digging up your nose and lying. And being a pussy. A straight pussy. I mean, it sounds buts about it, bro. You're the biggest pussy hoe on this planet. I am so tired of hearing about this. You pull up this, pull up that. If I see you, we fighting. Herman Branch this, Herman Branch that. You, bro, you are such a sissy pussy that you talk all this trash on YouTube because ain't nobody gonna pull up on you at that very second. So what you run your mouth like you tough. You're a racist pussy. See, that's what racists are. They are nothing but narcissists and pussies. Because, the Ku Klux Klan, skinheads, well, dum-dum, racists are pussies, cowards, because you don't see them going on TV, you don't see them walking into a dominant black or Puerto Rican or Jewish community and say, I hate y'all this, I hate y'all that, do you? No, because all y'all pussies hide behind sheets. And in your case, YouTube and on camera. Because that's y'all are. Y'all pussies. Y'all scared to put those hands up. Y'all scared to fight. So y'all try to get under people's skin by being racist. And then when somebody finally catch up with y'all punk butts, y'all want to go police and this and that. Oh, but y'all ain't screaming that when you being racist. I just find it funny that you're a racist coward, but you want to be black so bad it's killing you. It's just straight killing you. I mean, it's like, bro, you the biggest wannabe this. You want to be a mob. You want to be a rapper. You want to be a thug, and you are so pussyfied that you can't even be yourself because you know you are a loser, bum loser. Like that. I've never seen a more bummier person than you. You hate on everybody that's doing better than you. You hate on people that I don't know why you love sucking on Drake's Wayne. I mean, you talk about him every like he did something personally to you. You mad because for one, he's black, and two, he can rap and make big money, the type of money that you dream about making, and you are literally trying your hardest to act like you just like you got this money, that money, and bro, you are literally faking illnesses to go to hospitals just to get something to eat and catch a little cat nap. Bro, that is the corniest excuse to try to get some little sleep and get something to eat. And you're literally acting like you only being a bum because you want to be a bum. So, what's your excuse for being a pussy? You want to be a pussy? Or you just want to be a pussy? Because, bro, you're going to get yours. You know, you think it's cute, too. Every time you come out your mouth, it's either a crappy lie, a crappy excuse. I mean, bro, you blame literally everybody but yourself on everything that goes on in your life. It's always somebody else's fault why you dig up your nose on camera. That is so disgusting and foul and nasty that you are a grown man digging up your nose and then it being so nasty and wiping it all on your face, on your phone. That is so disgusting. It ain't even funny. You just keep doing it and doing it. I mean, I have never seen a sorry excuse for a human being and a nasty excuse for a human being. Bro, you don't even literally take showers. You don't even take a shower. When you be out there walking around on days, you go weeks without taking a shower. Weeks. Oh, I know because you've been wearing those same nasty looking black pants for like 2 or 3 weeks now. Disgusting. And then, on top of that, your teeth just look like, ugh. I mean, it just looks like, it looks like chocolate cocoa pebble cereal teeth in your mouth, bro. They all just brown. I mean, ugh. I mean, it's just disgusting, man. Disgusting. I mean, not to mention, you know how you talking about everybody making these fake accounts, trolls. Oh, y'all trolls, y'all this and y'all that. Correct me if I'm wrong, bro, but you have made up so many fake people, fake accounts, and what you do is 10 times worse than what these other trolls do. See, your words, these trolls make fake accounts because you're too pussy to be a man and answer questions and stop blocking everybody because you don't want to hear it, the truth. So you block it and then you try to act like everybody else is a pussy when you are nothing but a pussy. A pussy. You are making these fake accounts, man. And what's scary, that bro, I'm being real talk. I think you should go to the hospital or something because you're taking some of this stuff to a level of like, wow, this dude is literally thinking I mean, Jason, that dude was so fake and you ain't even good at it neither. I ain't gonna tell you what you do wrong because you gonna start doing it better. But bro, the minute I heard you talking, I knew he was fake and I knew he wasn't real because you are you. You're an unbelievable pussy, scumbag, bum with a little itty bitty penis. Because, bro, you literally was like, hey, Jason, you think it's okay for me to smoke? I took an antibiotic. It's hard for me to even comment on that. You sound so corny and so deliberately fake that it wasn't even worth even mentioning that. Everybody and their mama knew Jason wasn't real. And literally, like clockwork, soon people start noticing that Jason is fake, Willy Wonka's fake, Country Boy's fake. Let's see, Willy Wonka, Country Boy, Jason, young Latino fake. Oh God, man, it could just go on and on with these fake people you make up and then be. But I must say, boy, Jade. See, so I'm glad you're a narcissist because narcissists love running their mouth to no end. They can't stop talking. It's two things that narcissists do that you can tell are complete, utter bullcrap. Is one, you talk, y'all got liars and narcissists to me is a fine line to me, in my opinion, because you're both liars. But, it depends on how far you want to take your lie. In your case, see, you can't help yourself but to act like you this, act like you that, like you just the top this, top that, and you the best at this. And when everybody named mama know that you ain't nothing, you ain't nothing but a scumbag rat. You snitch on everybody. You literally blatantly say it too, like I got documented evidence that you harassed me. I'm taking it to the police. You are such a paper gangster. And you ain't nothing but you suffered in the rainbow. And you try your hardest to come off all hard. Like, yeah, I'm going to beat this. Shut the F up, bro. You ain't doing nothing, paper gangster. That's all you are. The scumbag paper gangster. But back to talk about, bro. I find it real hilarious that Jade, you knew and you tried your hardest to act like you didn't know if she's real or not, but you the one made her up. And you made her up because you know no chick wants you, no chick even want to look at you, let alone want to talk to you. Because if a woman is real and you know is real and you know you talk to her all this much, why you always every time you talk about her, is she real or not? She's everything I want. She everything I want. She everything I want. If she's real or not. Now, I've been in a few relationships, and I can honestly tell you, I never had to say, is this chick real or not? I really like her. Should I strike one? Strike two? You have nobody to talk to. Nobody even remotely want to talk to you. And you know that. I have never seen a person in my life be so hated that even his family don't want nothing to do with him. Your family hates you. I mean, it's like, and it's so easy to understand why everybody and their mama hates your guts. It is at a level of hate that I have never seen before in my life. I have never seen a family, let alone a mother, hate their child as much as they hate you. Even your sister, Kimberly, don't want nothing to do with you. You're the worst of the worst, bro. You're a thief. You're a thief, a liar, and a narcissist. And a pussy coward. That's a deadbeat of deadbeats. I've never seen a person that have a child talk about having money, but never talk about giving his child anything. Anything. You're going to get yours, and it ain't going to be nice. You come up dead, which I really believe you probably will come up dead. And the police ain't gonna have no way of figuring out who did it because you have so many people that hate you. Hate your guts. Now, back to Jade. I already told you strike one. Why? She was fake from day one. And second was I knew you made her up because it is always a coincidence that every time you get your butt busted up on being a low life, a lonely, miserable little maggot, either the next day or a couple of days later, a miracle happens and this you beat this dude up or you confronted this person or this chick, this and that. It's always a coincidence afterwards. You are so pathetic that you literally said, I love you, Jade. After this person, I was only talking to this person like a few days. This was before everybody knew that she was fake and you made her up. That quick, I love you. I, I I I get blown away every time I think that a woman let you touch her, let alone a woman had a child by you. What were they thinking letting a scumbag like you touch them? Let alone kiss them. Oh, God, it makes me sick to my stomach just thinking that you touching another human being, you that don't ever, I have never ever seen wash your hands. I never ever see you blow your nose with toilet paper or tissue, anything. You dig up your nose so much, it is disgusting, man. It is utterly disgusting. You do it in restaurants. You do it. You do it on camera when you're talking to people. I mean, it ain't even like. And then it's just like looking at you. I mean, it's like Frost right. You do like a lesbian working at Home Depot. I mean, good Lord, you are disgusting, bro. You are just disgusting of a person. I mean, it ain't even close neither, man. I mean, and you know what? Ugh. And it's like you you are the picture perfect person that a teacher should get in touch with you and say, Mr. Tyree, can you come speak to my class? And they say, and you be like, why would you want me to say so? Oh, because you are the perfect candidate for what not to do growing up. If you do this, you're going to look like him. If you smoke weed, you're going to look like him. Me, a.k.a. Tyree Sneed. If you don't listen to your parents, you're going to end up like Mr. Tyree Sneed. You should make money going around the country telling people, going to classes and saying to kids, if you smoke weed, you will end up like me. A lonely, a miserable, pathetic excuse for a human being, a complete loser that is 32 years old, busboy. A 32-year-old busboy that literally called a busboy job a great job, and we are all jealous of his busboy job. And he thinks getting $40, $50 is a lot of money, and he flashes it on camera. That's what happened to you if you do smoke weed or don't come to class. You will end up like Mr. Tyree Sneed. So, kids, if you don't want to end up like this bum loser, don't smoke weed, don't skip school, go to class, keep your butt out of drugs, and you will be successful. If you don't, you'll end up like Mr. Tyree Sneed here, that's a janitor, and only thing he's worth is cleaning up other people's messes, mopping bathroom floors, and walking around sound like he got wingtip dress shoes on, walking around saying he's successful lying, and don't have nothing to his name at 32 years old, kid, 32 years old, a grown man that has nothing to show for. Only thing he has to show for is all his lies he tells. And bro, I have finally I figured out you have been telling yourself that you have a mansion and 5 cars so much that I think you're starting to believe your own crap. And second, what are you, 12? A bat cave? And you trying to, oh my God, you trying to brag about having a bat cave. And it was a multi-million-dollar investment. But you're walking around at 2, 3, 4, 5 in the morning making videos. But you got a bat cave, and it was a multi-million-dollar investment. And we are all jealous. You win, we lose. I always, what the F are you winning? A bowl of soup at the soup kitchen? I mean, what do you win? You ain't, and let me clarify that more. How in the F are you winning? You what? What? You winning what? Because you walk further than all of us, or are you winning because you got the best bathroom that you can catch a couple hours of sleep in, and nobody can bother you in there? I mean, what you winning? I mean, you talk about Ashley this, Ashley that. She don't get this, she don't get that. Let's see. She's got a bed or a couch she's sleeping in. What you sleeping in? Let's see. You probably don't get no more than like 3, 4 hours of sleep total the whole night because, one, you a pussy, so you're scared of every little thing walking by you, or you might get lucky and go into a hospital and you find a way to get a couple hours there to sleep there. I guess, not I guess, she check mark, she win that. Let's see. We're jealous of your rings and your necklace and your your Jordan hat. By the way, that hat looked like you got it from the corner store from one of those Arabs that just stick a Jordan sign on the hat and there it is. Let's see. Oh, your Jordan hoodie. By the way, stop wearing it. It ain't even it don't even look like a Jordan hoodie anymore. That thing like it just walks by itself. You look and sound so dumb. Oh, not to mention your rings. Bro, you are literally showcasing costume jewelry. You're literally showcasing a girl's ring that sadly fits on one of your main fingers. So that tells me you definitely a pussy. You got your little girly hands. Maybe you do need little hands. How much you dig up your nose? You gotta get deep up in there. And you showcasing it. And then your necklaces. Oh, cut this, okay. Bro. I done seen god dang copper necklaces shinier than that nasty looking necklace you be wrapping around your head, wrapping around your neck. This thing, pussy, you can get robbed for fake jewelry. Think about that. If somebody see you one day and just got mad, so I'm taking everything you got, they will rob you and literally be mad because they robbed you for nothing, because they ain't nothing but costume jewelry. Nothing but costume jewelry. And you show it like, yeah, look at this, look at that. I got this, I got that. You know, it's just a shame, bro. It's a shame how you just this make yourself believe these asinine things that come out of your head, bro. I heard you one time say your music is like legendary, and your rapping is this. I don't want no sign of this because this gonna water down my rapping, and they gonna ruin it, bro. You can make deaf people not wanna bear to hear. If the first thing they hear after they come up with a device to help them hear, and they heard that rap, that crap you call rap, they will rip that machine off their head so quick and say, if that's what I gotta hear, I stay deaf before I listen to that garbage. That's how bad your rapping is. I mean, you're one of those people, bro, that people can say, stop doing it, stop. You would take it as, oh, they hating, so I'm gonna do it some more. No, no, no. Mm-mm, mm-mm. That's not what they meaning. They meaning take your sorry butt out of here and don't rap no more. When I heard you say, I'm gonna snap your neck bone, bro, really, neck bone? Wow, wow, wow. And, bro, you are the biggest pussy I ever seen. When I seen you in that hotel, running to look out that window, thinking somebody coming to get your sorry stinking butt. You are such a pussy, man. It's like, it ain't even funny, man. It's like, wow, 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 wow. And another thing, bro, you just don't. And when you say you're going on tour, whoo, please do it. Please do it. Please. We do need you to go on tour. We need people to witness that masterpiece of rapping you got. Please do it. I want you to hit up every homeless shelter possible. Please. Go hit up every homeless shelter possible on your tour. Because those people need a picker-upper. If they hear you rapping, they would say, Jesus Christ, I thought I had it bad. This guy right here is good and terrible. So I'm going to get up and stop being lazy and get myself a job and get it going. Because great, Google Mooly, boy, you are a terrible, terrible rapper. Whew. Whoa. Man. And, one last thing, bro. Be a man. Stop whispering your little tough talk when you walk in. Yeah, shut up, shut up, shut up. Yeah, you heard me. Punks, you heard me. You heard me. You heard me, punks, you heard me. Man, you ain't saying nothing. Because the other day, when you thought you was lost, when you was walking, you so much of a gangster, I clearly heard you say, oh man, I don't know where man I gotta look around. I don't want to get shot and stuff and get hurt out here. Let me hurry up, find out where I'm at. Let me hurry up, find out where I'm at. So, that's a big time gangster, huh? You thug, bro. You a thug. You a thug, boy. Thug, boy. You scared. scared like a church mice. Somebody thought somebody was coming to get your sorry butt. Oh my God, you such a pussy, man. Pussy. And you know what? I never heard a thug ever talk about the court system more than I hear about you. Just stop it, man. You're not tough. I cannot wait to get your tail whooped. I cannot wait. I hope I'm the one that gets you. I hope I do, but I hope I freaking do. Wow. Wow, bro. Man, changed those nasty, gray-looking socks you showed on camera that day. Ugh. Man. I hope you have a crappy day, you bum.